Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make or how to fix user presence isn't showing on the mailbox of Microsoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing we need to do now is to simply open Outlook, and from there we can do some settings or change some settings so we can enable this feature. So simply we will be needing just to go to the settings, and from here we will be opening the settings of uh, our uh, Outlook. And basically, all we will be needing to do is to search for people. And basically, here you can like have your people. In here, we can find like settings concerning our mailbox. And from there, depending on the version that you are using, like on Outlook, you will be able to find like here in the people, you will be able to find like display the present status for your contacts. If you cannot find it here, that means that you are using like the latest version of Outlook and it should be normally already added. And now you will be needing just to start troubleshooting that problem using like Teams. Since on Microsoft Teams, you will be able to find this problem. So now let's just go to the Teams, Microsoft Teams. So here let's just go Teams, and basically you will be needing just to go to the settings, and from the settings you will be able to find like people, and from here you will have like manage people, etc. Let's go back again to the contact. Here you will find open application background, and what we are interested in is to simply like synchronize or make sure to use like Teams within Outlook. And again, it really depends on the version of Teams that you are using. If it is already like a 300 or a Microsoft Teams 365, that means that it is already checked by default. And from there, you would need just like to register your Teams in case you download it individually. You will need just to register it as like a Microsoft 365 product, and then just make sure that you are using your account. That means your enterprise account or whatever. And basically then it should fix this problem. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.